Good morning, YouTube. So with today's video, let's talk about Burberry Brit Splash. Now this fragrance has kind of been not really talked about in the community, but this one was launched in 2015 and is classed as a woody aromatic. The note breakdown, top notes are going to be galbanum, melon, but also rosemary, with the mid being cyclamen, watery notes, and violet, and the base is going to be musk, moss, but also vetiver. What do I get from this fragrance here? Now I worn this a couple times last year and I tried to review it. I'm like, ugh, just wasn't really feeling it, but I'm like, really gotta do this one. Now this opens up very fresh, very watery. Like the entire fragrance itself is very much like the name, Splash. It's a watery fragrance. So you're gonna get the aquatics or the sea notes. You're gonna get a very watery, juicy melon. You're also gonna get like a watery type of floral, so that's cyclamen. And you're also gonna get a powdery violet. The base itself, you're still gonna get some of that violet, but more musk and vetiver than anything. The vetiver is actually quite earthy, and I would say that that's the backbone to this scent here. I don't get the moss itself, but throughout the entire fragrance, for the most part, it's just very fresh, very watery, very summery. This is a high heat fragrance that will do exceptionally well in the high heat, alright? This is daily casual. So white t-shirt and jeans can be worn to school as it's very easygoing. Trust me, this is a very easygoing, relaxing fragrance that's very casual. And you can wear it to the office, but I would actually choose something a little bit more professional smelling or something that's just a little bit better. Longevity off this is not the best. It ranges anywhere from like 4 to 5 hours, which is not bad, but when it comes to like fragrances, I want something that's going to be a little bit longer lasting, right? But again, this is a summer scent. Summer fragrances, the freshies, they just don't last. And this is just like, in my opinion, like a grab and go scent. So this is something that I would wear if I just want to, if I'm just running to do some errands, I'm going to be back a few hours later. That's what this fragrance is to me. How much is this going to cost you? Anywhere from 20 to 40 bucks. You can find these online. You can also find these at Ross, TJ Maxx, Burlington Coat Factories, and so on, alright? You can actually also get these, I believe, at Shoppers Drug Mart up here in Canada, but just look around. If you spend more than 30 bucks, I personally would not spend more than 30 bucks for this one here. Wife's thoughts, didn't ask the wife, but the wife would more than likely say that it's just another summer freshie. So very inoffensive, very clean. All right, so in the end, is this one that you should check out? If you want something that's just a little bit more watery and a little bit more fresh, because the freshness in this is crazy. You would think that there's some lavender or some like ambergris or ambroxan, I should say, not ambergris, ambroxan. You would think so, because it's just an incredibly over-the-top fresh fragrance. This will, again, will do very well in the summertime. When it's very hot out there, this will kind of like cool you down in some ways. This will psychologically kind of bring that cooling effect. Will it really cool you down? More than likely not, but if you want something that just to help you get through that tough hot day, because trust me, summertime is not a season that I like. I love these types of freshies. I just hate summertime. This big man just does not do well in the summertime. But guys, look into it if you want something that's maybe a little bit fresher, a little bit more watery. It might put a little bit of boost to your attitude, a little bit more pep to your step. And guys, that's it. That is my review of a Burberry Brit Splash. If you like this very video, you know what to do. Leave me one of these. Guys, thank you for your time. Take care, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching, everyone.